guys, Alex Dacakis, O'Brien Real Estate with another edition of the Northwest Weekly Property News for 2020, where real estate information is on the house. Pirates don't sail into the great blue ocean unless there's a treasure chest at the end of the expedition. However, they do have the advantage of a treasure map where X marks the spot. The good news this week is the Reserve Bank Governor confirmed last week that interest rates will stay unchanged at historic lows for at least 3 years. Employment rose by 114,700 in July after rising by a record 228,400 jobs in June. Economists had tipped the lift of only 30,000 jobs. They were certainly wrong. Nationally, the unemployment rate rose from 7.4% to 7.5%, which is nowhere near the 8% the market was talking. Unemployment in New South Wales is 7.2% and in Victoria it's 6.8%. I'm sure many will be surprised by those numbers. Australia has benefited from a strengthening in China's iron ore demand as construction activity strengthens with record shipments out of Port Hedland in July and hitting 12-month highs. We have experienced the biggest lift in consumer confidence in 11 weeks as reported by ANZ Roy Morgan. Tough times, I say you should celebrate the small victories the hardest, and real estate is still transacting across metropolitan Melbourne despite stage 4 restrictions, which means we are only selling or leasing via online inspections. Over the week throughout the state, there were 151 auction results, with 56 selling beforehand, 36 under the hammer, 4 selling after, and 5 passing in, and we also had 44 withdrawn, which converts to a 63.58% clearance. There were 1,040 private sale transactions for the week. Last week, we mentioned investors will be eagerly awaiting dividend declarations on the stock market. So far, Westpac has cut their interim dividend completely, CBA has cut theirs from 231 cents to 98 cents, and ANZ is likely to follow suit, and the list goes on with cuts to investors' returns. With property outperforming stocks in the financial year 2020, 11.4% to a negative 7.2%, will this mean investors will seize the opportunity and move into the real estate market? Now let's review the numbers this week across the O'Brien network. We experienced surprisingly good numbers in the stage 4 lockdown with 24 new listings, 27 under offer, 25 sales, and a high sale price of $1.28 million. That's all for this week. I'm Alex Dacakis, and remember, the information provided is of a general nature. You should always seek independent legal, financial, taxation, or other advice in relation to your unique circumstances. Hope you have a great week.